how to track your Yesstyle order, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Tracking your Yesstyle order is pretty easy thing to do. So I'm going to teach you how to do. You can track your Yesstyle order process pretty simple. For that you have to be at your Google, and in your Google you simply have to search for track my Yesstyle order now. After searching for that, you have to go to the first link which should say order tracking now. As you can see, you have two options. First, you have to place the order as a guest. You can actually click on this guest order button and then put in your email address, then order number. However, if you do not know how to order your place number, then you might have placed your order with your account. What you have to do is that just click on your profile and then log in. Once you're logged in, you just have to click on this member order section. There you go. It will take you to your order section where it will show you all your previously placed order with the details like the tracking details and all the things. So that pretty much easy. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.